Want to know how to disable notifications in Remitly? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Remitly application, and once you have done that, here you should be provided with this interface right here. So, on the top right side, you should be saying welcome. So, in order to view this, you have to be signed in. So, make sure you are signed in as well. We have also created a video on how to do it, so make sure to watch it. So, once you have done that, just simply select welcome right here, and then head towards settings. And now, once you have selected settings, here you can see contacts. Just simply select contacts. So now, once you have selected contacts, just simply select add new contact right here. So once you have selected add new contact, here you should be seeing your contact information, that is your first name, last name, and then your phone number. So you can just simply select your first name, last name, and then your phone number. So you can also check to send SMS, and you can also select a contact email address, which is optional, and then your contact address as well. So once you have done all of that, you should be able to select save, and you should be good to go. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.